Hey guys, it's Randy Bird. How you doing? I thought I'd do a little video today to talk about the fires in Redding. Unfortunately, I have quite a bit of experience for the Santa Rosa fires and some of the recovery efforts. I was involved in that very early on, both from a construction aspect. I was on a panel for the construction, the rebuilding process, and a real estate broker, and we ended up buying a property and selling it during that period of time, navigating that landscape. So I thought there might be some information that'd be valuable for me to share. I broke it down into three sections, basically: homeowners, and then construction piece, and then you'll see over here I have realtors, okay? So basically I thought I'd break it down into segments, and this is not an advertiser type ploy, right? This is strictly just me trying to give you information. I'm actually going to steer away from that piece of it completely. Anything that I say is my opinion. It's my opinion and my opinion only. I don't need all the haters coming on telling me that, oh, it's not, you don't have to dig down 6 inches. You don't have to do this, don't have to do that. It's just my opinion, what I've learned to help you. So if you feel compelled to share this with people that may have lost their homes, or somebody that you know, or you want to put it on your Facebook, I authorize that. I'm allowing you to do that. I'm going to make it public. So basically, from a general contracting point, which I am, real estate broker, and also a coach in the real estate industry, I think I might have some information that's going to be valuable for you. Okay, so number one, on the homeowner side, again, I know there's going to be insurance people watching this. There's going to be homeowners. There's going to be realtors, contractors. I don't